Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to change a battery on an Airtag. Airtag battery lasts up to 1 year depending on the usage. If it is checked regularly on the Find My app, your battery will deplete quickly. So let me show you how to change the battery on your Airtag. First, make sure you have the correct battery replacement for this Airtag. The Airtag takes CR2032 lithium 3-volt coin battery. This is available in most electronic shops or large supermarket. To replace your battery, make sure the shiny side is up on your Airtag. Now take your index and thumb finger and place it on the shiny surface, then push down and then turn counterclockwise. The shiny plate should lift off and you will see the coin battery. Lift the battery from the Airtag and replace it. To replace it, make sure the flat surface of the coin battery is facing up and it should show the positive sign. Next, place the shiny lid on the Airtag, making sure the 3 tabs on the cover are aligned with the 3 slots on the Airtag. Then press gently and then turn it clockwise until it stops. You should hear a beep once the lid is on, which means it has been installed successfully. And that is how to change your battery on your Airtag. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed it or this was helpful to you, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. I create similar tutorials on a daily basis, so please consider subscribing to see more. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.